Hello student, good evening everyone and happy new year to you all. Today we will do a very important theorem of triangle chapter. In my previous video we have discussed about the definition of triangle, the classification of triangle, and here we will discuss about a very important theorem, that is angle sum property. So let's go to the theorem. What is the angle sum property? How many angles are there in a triangle? We know that there are three angles in a triangle. So the theorem is that always the sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. The sum of three angles of a triangle is always exact 180 degree. Let me discuss it with an example. Suppose this is a triangle A, B, C. These are three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. So, if you take this example, then angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. That is the theorem. See, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So, this is the theorem. Now, I am giving here some question and let me see you can do or not. Suppose this is the triangle. Suppose x, y, z, where angle x equals to 120 degree, angle z equals to 30 degree. Find the value of angle y. So how to do these types of math? We know that from the angle sum property that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So you can write here angle x plus angle y plus angle z equals to 180 degree, or angle x and z given 120 and 30. So put at the place of x and z 120 plus 30 plus y not known, so y degree equals to 180 degree, or 120 plus 30 means 150 degree plus y degree equals to 180 degree, or y degree equals to 180 minus 150, or y degree equals to 30 degree. So what will be the value of y? 30 degree. Second type of question. See, suppose in a triangle ABC, the values of angle A equals to 110 degree, angle B equals to 60 degree, and angle C equals to suppose 20 degree given. So question is that, can you construct the triangle? Can you construct the triangle? That is the question. So, how to do these types of math? Again, we will do these types of math from angle sum property. We know that the sum of three angles, that is angle B, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Here, if you put all the values here, then it will be 110 plus 60 plus 20 equals to 190 degree, which is greater than 180 degree and not equals to 180 degree. So you cannot construct this triangle. To make a triangle, the sum must be always equals to 180 degree. Now we will do another type of question. Suppose in an equilateral triangle, find the values of all angles. This is the question. In an equilateral triangle, find the values of all angles. So first, can you say me what is the definition of equilateral triangle? Can you remember? If you can't remember, then go to my previous video. There is given the definition of equilateral triangle and the classification of triangle. So go and watch my previous video. Here I'm telling what was the definition of equilateral triangle. If all the sides are equal in a triangle, then it will be an equilateral triangle. And again, also we know that in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are same. That is another types of condition. So as in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal, and again from the angle sum property we know that the sum is 180 degree. So what will be the value of individual angle? 180 degree divided by 3. So 60 degree. This is the answer. So today we were finishing our class here, and if you like my video, then please comment down and subscribe and share it in your social media. Bye bye.